Have you seen Jelly Roll's incredible 130-pound weight loss transformation? His before and after photos are shocking the world and sparking curiosity. How did he do it? Was it expensive treatments? Crazy diets? Hours at the gym? Surprisingly, no. Jelly Roll's weight loss secrets are simple lifestyle tweaks that anyone can implement. Small changes with a massive impact. I couldn't believe it when I first learned his tips. Today I am revealing Jelly Roll's blueprint for weight loss success. Implement his strategy in your life and watch the results follow. If you're feeling stuck, let Jelly Roll's story re-energize your journey. Let's talk a bit about your diet. Changing how you eat is truly the number one way to start dropping weight. Skip the fad diets though. The key is balancing your meals with lean protein, fiber, complex carbs, and healthy fats. Focus on getting those servings of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in. Limit sugar, salty snacks, and refined carbs. You'll feel so much more energized. Meal prep on Sundays so you have healthy options ready when hunger strikes. And don't forget to drink lots of water to stay hydrated. It's not just diet though. Adding in movement and activity accelerates weight loss so much more. Just like Jelly Roll says, start small with walking, go at your own pace, but try to work up to getting in 10,000 steps in 30 minutes of activity per day. As you build stamina, join a gym and mix in strength training. The combination of cardio and weights is the magic formula. You got this. I know the first few workouts will be tough, but soon you'll be surprising yourself with what you can do. Here's an often overlooked weight loss booster. Get your sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Lack of sleep messes with your hunger hormones and willpower. So, block out time to wind down, limit electronics, and relax into slumber. You'll wake up feeling refreshed and powered to conquer your goals. Finally, remember that weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't burn yourself out trying to transform everything overnight. Set realistic timelines and milestones. Remind yourself it's okay to slip up sometimes. Get right back on track the next day. You can absolutely do this. Let Jelly Roll's story inspire you to take the first step. By the way, curious about 10 simple workouts you can do at home? Don't miss out. Click right here. Must subscribe and I'll see you next time.